Tesla's Cybertruck can now be traded in, but owners are getting hit with massive depreciation, up to 45%. $127,000, 0 cents Cyberbeast is now worth just $78,200, 0 cents. Stick around to find out why. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for cutting-edge tech news. If you're shocked by these numbers, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech updates. Let's dive into the Cybertruck's trade-in drama. Tesla just flipped the script by allowing Cybertruck trade-ins for the first time since its launch, but the numbers are brutal. According to CarGurus, Cybertrucks are depreciating up to 45%. One owner who bought a $100,000 0 cents all-wheel drive 2024 model with 19,633 miles got a trade-in offer of just $63,100, 0 cents, a 37% loss. Another who splurged $127,000, 0 cents on a Cyberbeast last September was quoted $78,200, 0 cents after 8 months, a 38% drop. That's a huge hit for such a premium EV. Why the steep drop? EVs in general can lose up to 50% of their value in a year, but the Cybertruck's case is wild. Tesla's earlier resale ban to prevent scalping delayed trade-ins, leaving owners stuck with issues like faulty gas pedals or loose trim pieces. Plus, some say Elon Musk's ties to the Trump administration are turning buyers off. Now that trade-ins are open, these low offers are raising eyebrows. It's a tough pill for owners expecting Tesla's appreciating asset promise. Thinking of trading in your Cybertruck? Tesla's official quotes are lower than private sales, so brace for a hit. The Cybertruck's trade-in values are a wake-up call for EV owners. Are you surprised by this depreciation, or is it just EV life? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay plugged in with GadInsider for more tech news.